Hey, I forgot to mention. That to you guys that I bought my Monday Night Raw tickets. That's right, the Colonial Life Arena here in Columbia. They are doing Monday Night Raw, April 20th. Now, hopefully, of course I'll be better by then. What am I talking about? We speak things into existence. It's 2020, man. We speak things into existence. Hey, don't. I will be better by then. And just be ready for another WWE vlog, because the Cruiserweight Champion of YouTube is going to be in the building. Ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, Nitro Club, check it out. So, oh, I didn't tell you, I bought my tickets to Monday Night Raw, April 20th at the Colonial Life Arena here in Columbia, South Carolina. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited, especially the ones that are going. I hope you guys are excited. This could be an amazing show. The Cruiserweight Champion of YouTube, J Nitro Vlogs, is going to be in the building. It's going to be amazing. You guys don't want to miss this vlog. I'm telling you. I'm telling you now. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be absolutely wonderful. Speaking of Matt Hardy, I think Matt Hardy is going to be in AEW. I say that because if you go on Matt Hardy's YouTube channel, which is Matt Hardy Brand, you go on his channel, watch the most recent episode of Free the Delete, go kind of sort of towards the end, and you'll see the Bucks of Youth have come to the Hardy compound. House Hardy. I think he might be the Exalted One. I think. But guys, you have been absolutely awesome. I will get better. Nitro Club, to sleep, baby, all day, every day. We out.